Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about new package Laravel API Toolkit. This package provides all-in-one solution for building efficient APIs in Laravel. As you know, in this fast era, we all find shortcut and want to save our development time, as well as using Artisan command for generating controllers, migrations, views, model when you want to create any CRUD API. So let me show you all the Artisan commands. You can see all Artisan command with this PHP Artisan. And you can see all the list. Generally we use this make command for create controllers and everything. You need to fire all the commands one by one when you want to create CRUD APIs. Now let me explain what value put this package. If you use this package, create all the files in single command with working CRUD APIs. So first we need to install this package in our application. So let me give you small demo, and I'm going to install this package through the composer in my this application, and then we check everything. So let's clear, and then we copy and let file composer require as a API toolkit. So this package installed successfully. Now let's generate APIs and check this documentation. Also you can find official website of the documentation, good documentation written by this package author, and so that's helpful to go on right direction. And let me fire this command for publish the config of this package. So let's paste here, and you can see API toolkit.php is created inside the config directory, and you can find basic and default configuration given here. You can change if you want to change it and use it, like API prefix and everything. So you can change it based on your requirement. And then let's see some other documentation, and let's generate CRUD API through this command. You need to pass --all into the argument. So this argument create all the files, means controller, model, request, resource, everything. So I'm going to create one CRUD API, and I'm going to specify name, category. But one more thing, you can add schema into this command. You need to specify column and data type, so it's automatically included into the migration model and everywhere. So let me show example as well. I am going to add one field name and then string, and then let's fire this, and let me show you. You can see everything: model, factory, seeder, controller, resource, test, both request, filter, migration and route. Everything is created with this single command. So you no need to create manually all this file with all that Artisan commands. You can save your time with this one command. And now let me show you. First of all, the migration and controller. You can see this is controller, and you can see migration here, name field added here, and also you can see routes. So let me open API route, because this is API CRUD, so it's automatically added here, and this point to this controller which is created. And also this package provide consistent response in every API. See these functions, but right now this editor indicate this function does not found, because we need to add one trait. If you want to add that trait, if you want to use these functions in all controllers, you can specify that trait here, and if you want to use these functions in specific controller, then you can specify it here. It's already given into the documentation. You can see API response, and see here use API response. So you can just edit here and import. Make sure you import this API response here. I created one PR, so once this PR merge, we no need to add anymore in generated controller, because these functions already generated with this controller. But right now it's available into the documentation, so you need to check this, and you can use all these methods. Now see, warning is removed from all the functions, and when you click, you can go inside this package and all the functions are exist. So now API is created and everything created with this controller model. You can see model, also name is specified in fillable, so that's good. And also some filters created here. You can specify filters and column search and everything here. Now let's run migration, because migration is pending. So PHP Artisan migrate. So migration is created. Now let me open APIs. You can open APIs here as well, like this. This is list API, and you can see right now no data, so the data is empty. And one more thing provided by this package is pagination. You can see links. So this is page 1 data, and first and last page also it's provide next and previous label and per page data to total and everything. So this is also good feature, and we can use it. We no need to manage pagination specially. It's by default added with this code, dynamic pagination and filters. So you can see this documentation and you can get everything. And one more thing, let's create one record and see how it's working. So I'm going to open post main for call the post call. Now same API I'm going to call through this post main. This is get API, and you can see response here. Now I'm going to create one post API body and specify form data name, and let's specify category Laravel, and let's send. And you can see one record created, and now let's send, and can see we get data in this API. So you no need to do more work and easily create CRUD APIs through this package. So this package is a kind of all-in-one solution for the CRUD. So enjoy this package and thank you for watching video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.